Hey everybody, welcome to Sandy's Creative Connection. Hope you're having a good day. So this project is a card that we did in my class this week, and I wanted to show you how we created it. I'm using the stamp set called Abstract Impressions, and you'll find it on page 129 of the annual catalog. I'm also using the colors Mint, Macaron, a new color, Call Me Clover, another new color called Grapefruit Grove, and then Calypso Coral. Sizes of cardstock that I'm using: 5.5 by 8.5, 4 by 5.25, 4 by 3. Then I have a little piece of scrap for the tag, and then of course twine, and then the designer series paper is called Garden Impressions. It is also in the annual catalog. Now this Abstract Impressions, let me go get a catalog. It's on 129. Now what is nice about this is bundled. Stampin' Up! Is bundled the framelits, actually it's a thinlet, and the stamp set. And I like the words. I'm particularly fond of "If flowers were hugs, I'd send you 1,000. Really like that. So you get 10% off with that bundle. Here are the framelits. Love the butterfly, and that is just gorgeous, done just on a card front, and then of course the little flower. So you can also buy these separately, so you don't have to buy it as a bundle. All right, so let's stamp a little bit. I'm going to take my 3x4 and let's open up some stamp pads. Let's do the grass first. Here are my stamps already mounted, and we are just going to go, I'm going to do just 2 of the darker green, and I'm going to run in here with the mint. Use 3 of those, maybe even go up a little bit just to give it some height. Now I'm going to take the solid portion of the flower. Oh, let me open up Grapefruit Grove. And the Calypso Coral. And I'm going to use Grapefruit Grove. It's a 2-step stamping, and this one has less, but it's supposed to be the accents, you'll see. So I'm going to use Grapefruit Grove on the flowers, the main part of the flowers. And then you can just ink up the Calypso, and you just kind of line it up. This is a lot of fun to stamp. This card was fun to make. So, and I think it's because it's so simple. So across the top, I don't know if you see this, but I've got an embossing folder. Now this embossing folder is called Petal Pairs, and I will go and emboss it. And I'm just going to run it right across there like that and run it through the embossing folders. And Big Shot. I'll be right back. So I'm back. Just ran it right across the top there. Now I'm going to glue this down. I'm going to use green glue because then I can slip and slide to get this in place. So I had a little video problem, so I had to cut out a portion because it was double exposure. So the part you didn't see was this being glued down, and this is just a piece of that DSP that's cut at 1/2 inch. I glued it down. So now I'm into putting on my twine. And if you ever have a problem where when the twine comes off the card, it's got these little kinks in it, if you'll just take your bone folder, just kind of lightly rub over it, it'll straighten it right out for you, and you won't have those kinks you're trying to deal with. So now I'm going to wrap once, leave enough in the leg to tie a bow, like this. And now I'm going to go in and create my word, my little banner. So here's my strip of cardstock. It's a 1/2 inch, and I'm just going to cut it down to size. And we're going to stamp the words. That's if flowers were hugs. Just love that. I'm going to use Mento. I'm just going to stamp in the middle. Then I'm going to clip it on this side using my scissors. And then you've seen this with the punch. Making a little flag end. There you go. That is the punch out of our catalog. Now I'm going to put this on with dimensionals. And then I'm going to put the dimensionals on the back of this. So let's do these on the back. So we're going to do Call Me Clover, couple of macarons. Okay, we're done. It's quick, it's easy. Now for the inside, I just did the same. Grapefruit, light macaroon with Call Me Clover on the You really can't mess this up. That's the amazing part. Line it up as best you can. Doesn't have to be perfect. And there you go. There's an envelope. Okay, well, quick card, easy. All of these products are available in my online store. I'll have a link for you at the bottom of the video. And if you need a catalog, let me know. And I hope you have a wonderful day.